we have here? 2 broke down UPS trucks. But yeah, the hurricane hit earlier, I think this morning or last night or something. So, you know, one thing that I advise everybody to do if they're ever hit with some kind of natural disaster, even if it's not nowhere near them, have stuff ready. Have, you know, water and extra cell phone batteries if you can, and stuff like that ready in case something does happen to where you need to get a hold of your family and, you know, all that stuff. And whenever Katrina hit, you know, it fucked some shit up over here, but it wasn't nowhere near as bad as it was in New Orleans. And at that time I was on prepaid with T-Mobile, and they done a great job of, you know, helping us out, because they pretty much had service the entire time where I was, and they ended up giving all the customers like 2,000 free minutes, so that whenever they could call their family, you know, call help, and let everybody know they were all right. So, you know, I've got a lot of respect for T-Mobile because of that. You know, I'm not with them anymore, but, you know, they're really doing what they were supposed to and help people out that day. Right now I do have some friends that I cannot get in contact with because they do not have cell phones at the moment. So I'm kind of worried about them, you know, hoping they're alright. I know they'll get to me whenever they can, but right now I'm just trying to stay calm and just remember that, you know, they're doing whatever they can, and hope they're safe. So shit, ain't nothing more I can do at the moment. And this wind is insane. You know, I've already rode through a tornado. You know, so I've gotten real good at coping with the wind whenever I ride, but, you know, I still don't like it because it will still throw you off if it decides it wants to. So I gotta kind of hang on tight and use my skills to the best of my ability whenever I'm getting hit by wind like this. Now, I'm not even sure if my microphone's picking up right now because the wind is so damn hard, and I know it's only going to get worse. So that's part of the reason I'm just going ahead and going to the gym right now, which is kind of stupid because I was worried about what was going to happen just getting out of school, worrying with if the rain was going to hit, and worrying about this wind. But right now I'm too preoccupied with getting out and doing something. And what lane do I need? I need this lane. And we're fixing to go to the gym. Bug sit my screen, or my visor, or whatever the hell you want to call it. I don't care. And I'm going into this turn a little bit too hot. Time to slow it down, or this wind will fuck me up, kind of like it's doing right now. Oh yeah, this wind's fixing to suck here in a little while. So I'm gonna be riding in some shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, the wind sucks right now. Damn. But no matter what, I have got to do my workout. So I shall. Alright. I need to find a parking spot. Yes, I'm parking furthest away from everybody. I don't care. I don't mind walking. But I'm now at the gym, so I will holler at you guys later. That's the Glock 17 shooter. Signing out, reminding y'all, ride safe.